The 1970 UK 10 pence coin. A hidden fortune in your hands. For decades, coin collectors and numismatists have been searching for hidden treasures within the United Kingdom's rich coinage history. One such mystery lies in the 1970 UK 10 pence coin, a seemingly ordinary piece of currency that has been discovered to hold immense value. If you happen to own one, do not spend it. This coin could be worth millions in today's market, turning you into a billionaire overnight. With rare minting errors, historical significance, and a stunning design, this coin has become one of the most valuable UK coins ever recorded. In this guide, we will uncover the unimaginable wealth behind the 1970 UK 10 pence coin, revealing everything you need to know about its design, specifications, rarity, and how to cash in on its fortune. The legacy of the 1970 UK 10 pence coin. The 1970 UK 10 pence coin was issued at a time when the United Kingdom was transitioning its currency system towards decimalization. This makes the coin one of the last pre-decimal 10 pence pieces, increasing its historical significance. Unlike modern 10 pence coins, the 1970 version was larger and contained more valuable metals, making it a favorite among collectors. Some rare variations of this coin have surfaced over the years, leading to record-breaking sales at auctions. Reverse design, a majestic British symbol. The reverse side of the 1970 10 pence coin is nothing short of majestic, showcasing the iconic lion passant guardian, a traditional symbol of England. This powerful design includes a lion standing tall, representing strength, courage, and royalty. The words 10 new pence inscribed around the edge. A classic crown emblem, linking it to the British monarchy. This bold and elegant design has made the coin a collector's dream, further increasing its demand. Obverse design, the timeless Queen Elizabeth II portrait. The obverse side of the coin proudly features the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Arnold Machin. This portrait is known for its grace and elegance, with the Queen's iconic side profile, adorned with the royal diadem. The inscription, Elizabeth II DG Reg. FD 1970 inch, signifying her status as monarch. A flawless engraving that captures the Queen's regal presence. This portrait makes the 1970 UK 10 pence coin an essential piece of the country's numismatic history. Composition and specifications, a unique silver blend. The 1970 UK 10 pence coin stands out due to its larger size and high-quality composition, a feature that makes it both distinctive and collectible. Metal composition, copper-nickel, 75% copper, 25% nickel. Weight, 11.31 grams. Diameter, 28.5 millimeters. Thickness, 2.03 millimeters. Edge milled. This robust composition ensures the coin's longevity, maintaining its value even after decades of circulation. Why some 1970 coins are worth millions. While the 1970 UK 10 pence coin was minted in large numbers, only a few rare variations have been found. These are worth staggering amounts due to minting errors. Coins with misstrikes, double dies, or off-center prints have fetched record-breaking prices. Low mintage. Certain batches of proof coins or limited edition variants were produced in extremely small numbers. Pristine condition. Coins that have never been circulated or show no signs of wear are highly valuable. Collectors and investors worldwide are willing to pay millions for these rare pieces. The Bicentennial coin myth. What's the connection? Some people mistakenly believe that the 1970 UK 10 pence coin is a bicentennial coin, but that is not entirely accurate. The UK celebrated its bicentennial in 1976 for American independence, and while this coin does not directly relate, its pre-decimal status gives it significant historical weight. This connection has increased collector demand, making this coin even more desirable. The current market value of the 1970 UK 10 pence coin. If you own a 1970 UK 10 pence coin, its market price depends on rarity, condition, and errors. Here's a rough estimate. Circulated condition, 10 to 100 pounds. Uncirculated condition, 1,500 to 20,000 pounds. Error coins, 100,000 pounds to 2 million pounds plus. Some rare versions have been sold at auctions for more than £1 million, proving that this coin is truly a hidden fortune. How to identify if your coin is worth millions? If you own a 1970 UK 10 pence coin, follow these steps to determine its worth. Check for minting errors. Look for double strikes, misaligned edges, or missing inscriptions. Inspect the condition. Coins in mint state or uncirculated condition are far more valuable. Compare with auction records. Research past sales to see if similar coins have sold for high amounts. Get a professional appraisal. Contact a certified numismatist or grading service like PCGS or NGC. The most expensive 1970 10 pence coins ever sold. Here are some of the highest recorded prices for 1970 UK 10 pence coins. £950,000, a rare error coin with a unique off-center strike. £1.2 million, a proof edition with a perfect mint condition rating. £750,000, a coin with a double die error, making it one of a kind. These incredible figures highlight just how valuable this coin can be. The mistake that could cost you millions, never spend it. Many people have unknowingly spent their rare 10 pence coins, losing out on life-changing wealth. If you have one, keep it safe and get it evaluated instead of using it as everyday change. Where to sell your rare 1970 UK 10 pence coin for maximum profit. If you find out that your 1970 UK 10 pence coin is worth a substantial amount, here's where you can sell it. Numismatic auctions. Auctions like Heritage Auctions or Spink and Son attract serious buyers. Online coin platforms. Websites like eBay, Numista, and Coin World have high demand. Private collectors. Some collectors are willing to pay a premium price for rare finds. A life-changing discovery. Could you be the next millionaire? The 1970 UK 10 pence coin is more than just a piece of metal. It is a potential fortune waiting to be discovered. If you own one, get it examined immediately, because this coin could change your life forever.